In this video, I explain how to use seed command in Python. Seed command is actually used to generate random numbers in Python. We use seed command with the help of numpy. So import numpy at first step. Then set the seed np for numpy dot random.seed. Random is used to generate random numbers. Seed command is used for random numbers. You can set any integer here which you want to select your random numbers. Now we generate random number. Print command is used to print random numbers. np for numpy dot random dot, again we write random, small bracket, start and close. Because Python is case sensitive, I write here P capital. So write small. Print command is used all small letters. So print, here you can get your random number. Suppose you want to change here 48, like run, again run, I change here 55 and now by using this command np.random.random, output will be same each time. Your output can never change. If you run again and again, output remains same. If you use such command like print np (40), I again run. Random number is changed between 1 to 100. In this command print np.random.rand int, you got your answer in integer form. int means integer and between 1 and 100, and your random number change at each run. Thanks for watching.